Hi all, welcome back to the channel. Don't usually do videos on Friday, but I have an update on an item in my small, very small, non-retail skincare line that I've been getting a lot of questions about because it's been out of stock, and that is the Magic Eyes Anti-Puff Eye Lifting Gel. Now, if you happen to be new and don't know this, I do have a very small skincare line that's been in development for about 5 years, and we add new products from time to time. The Anti-Puff Gel has been very, very popular because it is a botanical anti-puff gel that you can use around and under the eye that has a couple of really unique ingredients that make it work so well. It has dipeptide 2 and tetrapeptide 3. Those two together help reduce inflammation around the eye, shrinking eye skin tissue, reducing lymph and water retention under the eye, eye bags, while improving firmness and elasticity. And for dark circles, we have the ingredient hesperidin, which helps to shrink back capillaries like caffeine does from the surface of the skin, but also reduces their permeability, reducing the look of redness from those capillaries under the skin, making the eye skin underneath look much brighter and even, and the effects last all day. And the other great news about this particular product is that in clinical testing, we had 75% of the people who are using it saw a permanent improvement in the appearance and presence of under eye dark circles and eye bags. This is a botanically based formulation. Of course, it is going to be, since it's for me. Doesn't take much. As you can see here, it's a gel. It's very soothing and very cooling to the eye. You just pat it. We're going to do one eye only so we can see the difference and how my eye looks versus the other one. This is clean skin. I just washed my face a few minutes ago. This gel is amazing because it just melts right into your skin and starts working right away. And you can see my skin around my eye looks much more even, less red, less puffy, all without any sort of tint in this eye product whatsoever. So for those of you who are already in my Skin So Fabulous community and know about all of this, the link I'm going to provide below in the video description box will work for you, as well as those of you who are not familiar with this very small skincare line, not available in stores, and this particular product, the Magic Eyes Anti-Puff Gel. So if it's something you're interested in finding out more about, use the link down below, and I will also include a coupon code you can use to save some bucks at checkout. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel, my work, and this new skincare line that I'm working on. Stay beautiful, and I will see you on the next video.